Sweetie, what are you doing?
Filming.
Really? We were about to end the day here. What did you have in mind?
Um, I'm going to teach you Bisaya 101.
Can you do it in less than 7 minutes? Because that's all the time we got
7 minutes.
on this phone.
Okay. Okay. First, well, you know how, well, some of the Bisaya words, like the greetings, like good morning, good afternoon.
Magandangu maga?
Yeah, you know those words.
Magadang tangkali?
But let's recap for
Magandangabi?
that.
Okay.
Okay, what
Ace
is the Bisaya word of good morning? Come on.
Good morning. I don't know. What is it?
You just said it.
Oh, that was not that we were going to do different. Well, good morning is Magandangu maga.
Yeah.
Or
and
Maayan hapon.
I know that I said like let's recap.
Okay.
Okay. Good afternoon.
Magandang tangkali.
That's okay. That's acceptable.
Good enough
Okay.
for now.
Good evening.
Magandang gabi. Magandang gabi.
How are you?
Kamusta ka? Kamusta ka?
I'm fine. Well, about what else? Asa si Precious?
Asa si precious.
I know. Where is Precious?
Asa si precious. Asa si precious.
Asa si Gian?
Asa si
And
Gia.
where is Gian? How about if you're asking, Pilani? Hey, Pilani.
Pilani. How much
If you're
is
buying,
this?
like if you
Pilani.
go to the store and you ask, like, if you ask the vendor, hey, Pilani. I mean, you ask like,
Pilani.
hey, how much is this?
Yes. Pilani.
How much is that?
This, that. Is there a difference? Okay. So that is somewhere else.
Like, hey,
Not me, not
how
on
much
the
is
other-
that over there?
Pilani. Pilano. Pilane. I don't know.
Pilani, pilana.
Pilana? Really?
Pilana.
Pilana. Pilana.
Okay,
Pilana.
that's good for now. In time,
Okay.
you will pronounce it correctly.
More practice.
What else? Oh, Asa, where are you going?
I don't
Ah,
know. How about what time is it?
okay,
Oh,
okay.
no, what time you go in the bed?
Okay.
When you go
Okay.
in the bed?
What time are you going to bed?
Asa. No. Unsa.
Yeah?
Unsa oriska? Unsa oriska matulog.
Okay. Unsang oras ka matulog?
Oh, unsa oraska.
Oras.
Oraska. Unsa oraska matulog.
Okay. Oras is time. Okay. How about, hey, what time did you, like, if you're asking, what time did you went to bed? Past
Unsa
tense.
oraska natu. No. Unsa oraska natulog.
Okay.
With an N. Natulog.
Matulog. Okay. What are you doing? What are you doing?
I don't know. Probably Asa
How
something.
could it? How could
Because
you
I
don't
don't
know?
I don't write these things down.
We already talked this like
Yeah,
just a minute ago.
running out of time. What are you doing? I don't know. Give me the first word. Asa. Okay. Asa.
No, I'm saying no, not that one. Because I'm asking you,
What are you doing?
what are you doing?
Okay.
No, not Asaka.
What's the first word?
Nag.
Oh, nag. I don't know. I don't know. What is it?
Uh, Nagsaka.
Nagunsaka.
What is it?
Nagunsaka.
Okay, how about
Nagunsaka.
where you're asking where you going? Hey Bobby, where you going?
Nag something. Nag.
Ah,
Huh? Nag?
hey, nagunsa ka is like you're asking what are you
Yeah, well,
doing?
what's the other one? Where are you
Ah,
going? Huh? What?
asa,
Asa.
asa ka.
Asaka.
Mm.
That's it?
Simple,
That's it?
but
3 syllables?
that's why I make it simple for you. Asa ka, like where
Asaka.
you going, but if but
Okay,
the right
I can do that
sentence
one.
is like this. Asa ka muadto. Where you going? But I'll make it simple for you. Asa
Okay,
ka. That's
Asaka.
acceptable.
It took me
Okay.
2 months to get oh down.
Okay, how about yes or no?
Oh.
Yes.
Oh.
Mm, no.
Hindi.
Okay, acceptable.
We got about 30 seconds.
How about respect?
You guys say respect.
Come on, just
Yes, you
don't
do.
bring that. Respect.
Respect. You say respect.
In Bisaya.
I don't know. What is it?
Res.
You got 5 seconds.
Come on, answer that.
I don't remember. What is it?
Respeto.
Respecto?
Not respecto. Respeto.
Okay. We probably